the 2019 GT2 RS, made in Stuttgart by Porsche. The twin-turbo Symphony puts out 700 horsepower at 7,000 RPM, 0 to 60 in a warp-like 2.7 seconds, top speed 211 miles per hour. This one comes with the Weissach package, putting it at over $350,000 after taxes. This is my friend Cheyenne. He's agreed to let his car do the heavy lifting, or the wax strip pulling, rather. I'll explain in a minute.
Today we're going to be doing something very, very entertaining. Challenger Veet Waxing Strips. This is a non-sponsored video.
Now, right out of the box, Veet Waxing Strips are lined with wax paper, which is definitely not strong enough to withstand the pressures of acceleration from an exotic supercar. Thus, I need to invent a new waxing pulling mechanism. This is the prototype, the beta if you will. Let's see if it works. And by the way, I've included a link below so you can buy Veet for yourself.
I'm Carl Cunningham, and this is the Porsche Chest Waxing Challenge. Clarkson.
If you're getting any entertainment value out of this video, please hit the like and subscribe button.
And the winner of the Porsche Chest Waxing Challenge, Veets.